Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix our devices missing important security and quality fixes error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. We just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings, click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select Windows update troubleshoot to run. After running this troubleshooter, just close stuff here. Now open up a Chrome and just need to search download reset Windows components and press enter. Select the first link, scroll down, select this reset Windows update tool option and it will start downloading. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon, right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to double click on this reset weng.cmd. You just need to press any key to continue. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search Windows Update Service. Just double click on it. Startup type set this to automatic and select apply and start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to right click on the service and select restart. After restarting, you just need to close stuff here and now you can check for updates and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.